Most people spend years earning money without ever learning how it actually works. Not because they are not smart, because nobody ever taught them. Financial skills are not natural, they are learned, and the earlier they are built, the more they change everything. Budgeting is not about restriction, it is about direction. Knowing where every dollar goes before the month starts, instead of wondering where it went after, is the single most foundational financial skill anyone can build. Interest works in two directions. It builds wealth when it is working for someone. It destroys it when it is working against them. Understanding the difference between a 20% credit card rate and a 5% savings return, and what both mean over time, changes every borrowing and saving decision made from that point forward. The ability to say no to something today, to have something better tomorrow, is worth more than any investment strategy. It is the skill underneath every other financial skill. Without it, the budgeting fails, the savings get spent, the plan falls apart, a payslip, a bank statement, a simple profit and loss. These are not complicated documents, but most people never slow down long enough to actually read them. Understanding what is coming in, what is going out, and what the gap between them means, that is financial literacy in its most practical form. Financial skills are not taught in most schools, but they can be learned anywhere, including right here. The only question is, when to start.